All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Big update today. Something that I've been waiting for a little while is I got my X-Lite Pro today. I'll give a quick initial impressions and a little bit of a walkthrough. Mine came with a gift from Frsky, and it's the 18650 caps to match this radio. They are plastic. Big surprise, they don't really line up very well. And to be honest with you, they don't even lock in place. Like, these are absolutely useless to me. But anyways, I do have some extra 18500 batteries laying around, so we're going to use those. The standard Gimbal Protector is the same thing it came with the original X-Lite. Comes with the screws and all the little blanking caps like the original X-Lite did, some stickers, and a manual. Let's set that aside. So immediately the form factor of this radio is 100% identical to the original X-Lite. Now there are a few key differences here. Is the gimbals are CNC machined aluminum. They feel just incredible, just super smooth. Not saying the original X-Lite didn't feel smooth, but I could definitely feel a bit of a difference. There's a noticeable notch in the center. These ones are just like buttery smooth. And the other big difference is if you look at the top here, so I get some more light, we have the standard switch layout. So just a 2-position here, a 2-position there, 3 here, 3 here, and this is a momentary button, and same with over here. So you have a momentary and a momentary, something that was sorely missing from the original X-Lite. You still get your two pots up here at the top, your plug covering up your port for your external antenna. There you go. I've never really found a need for that with the original X-Lite. And your module bay, just like the original, to run the R9M Lite module or some of the various multi-protocol modules that are out there. Another new feature to this radio is if you plug in the USB port, see the green light? It means it's charging the batteries. It's balancing and charging the 18500 batteries. What an awesome feature. I wish the original one had that. So let's go ahead and fire it up. And let's go into the main menu here, and we'll just scroll through this real quick, noting any new additions. One thing that I saw that was interesting is the gyro. So this controller, by twisting it and moving it like this, you can control, like, say, a pan tilt on a model. Instead of having to use a head tracker, you can fly and tilt this to reorient your camera. That is a super neat feature. Be kind of interesting to see how that's implemented. And as far as the other options here, really not a whole lot of difference. This does not come with an SD card, unfortunately. And the other problem is I can't find SD contents for this radio because it is running opentx version 2.3. And I cannot find any SD card contents for that. Now, something to note is this thing has the new access protocol, and unfortunately it is not backwards compatible with your existing ACCST receivers like the RXSR, the XM Plus, the XM, any of the SPI things like in the Happy model or the Crazy Bee boards, anything like that. It is not backwards compatible. So currently, unless you have something that will take the access protocol, which right now is only the GRX8, the GRX6, the RX6R, and the RX4R. You cannot use this. As far as D8, D16, things of that nature, it does not work right now. I know Frsky is working on releasing firmware for the ISRM module that is in this for the RXSR, the XM Plus, those receivers, but as of right now, they're just not out there. So that's about it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll gladly answer them as they come along. Like I said, this thing feels just incredible, but it feels exactly like the original X-Lite as well. So anyways, like, comment, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos on this guy. And if you have any questions, please post them down below. If you're interested in this or any other products that I have in any of my videos, check the description. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time.